Good evening. Today, I will open the topic on how the technology really affected our lives today, especially the internet and games. First and foremost, I chose this topic because I have seen children ages 5 to 7 years old playing online games. I am quite disturbed because I have noticed how the technology really affected us, especially the minors. Well, how did really technology affected us? Maybe technology improved and simplified our lives. Easy access, instant, convenient. These are the terms that I could use to describe technology's help us. But what I'm trying to say is, can't we really live without technology? When I was about 7 years old, I used to ask my mom if I could go outside and play. She would allow me with one condition. I have to sleep at 1 p.m. and she would allow me to go outside and play for 4 to 6 p.m. I was used to this since I love to play every day. Me and my friends used to play patintero, langsak, tago-tagoan, mataya-taya, langit-lupa, dodgeball, and many others. As time passed by, I have realized something. I have realized everything has changed. When I was in the computer shop to do my paper for a major subject, I saw this kid about 7 to 6 years old. He was playing Counter Strike. I didn't mind him because, first and foremost, I don't know him. But when his uncle arrived, his uncle gave him food and soft drinks and was asking him to go home already because it was around 10 p.m. To my shock, the kid said, "Ayoko pa, naglalaro pa ako eh." I was completely shocked by that and I said to myself, "Grabe to." While I was walking home, I was reminiscing on my childhood memories. I was telling myself, how did this happen? Why on earth is this happening? Is this really right? I was quite disappointed because now technology has become a part of kids' lives, completely a part. Back then, if we don't sleep, our parents will get mad at us. But now, as what I have seen, I came up to think that this kid implies to his uncle, "You're not the boss of me. I am playing now, can't you see?" I must say, technology really affected not only our lives, but also our manners. It doesn't only bring us convenience, but influence us with this convenience. For me, I think I can live without it. But for others, I don't think so. Thank you.